It is 2026, ladies and gentlemen. We're starting the year strong at CES in Las Vegas. I am here with Frank from Contixo, and we are here talking all things drones, which we love because, as everyone knows, Noel's a licensed drone pilot, so we use drone a lot in what we do. And Frank, thanks for talking to us today. Tell us a little bit more about Contixo.
Well, Contixo is a company that primarily started with a children's tablet approach. We were focused just on educational products, STEM toys, RC cars. Then we expanded into drones, and from that point on, we carved our niche out in the kind of lower performance drone segment, branching off from kids drones, working our way up to lower mid-tier, and now we are expanding into the more premium segment. So given the new open retail on that market,
Yes.
we are trying to put our best foot forward.
I love that. What a politically correct way to say that, Frank. Thank you so much. No, that's fantastic. Yes, there has obviously been a lot of shakeup in this industry, and so for a media company like ourselves who are constantly looking to have the best, to do our job and give the best to our clients, obviously this is an area we highly educate ourselves on and do a lot of research. So tell me, we obviously saw this bad boy right here. Todd was giving us some updates on that. What makes you, why would I come to you for this? What makes you guys the experts in this?
We are a humble company, but we understand that
I can say that you're the expert.
we understand that there is a lot of competition,
Yeah.
and a lot of these competitors are doing a lot of the same things. There's replication of features. Everyone has spiral mode. Everyone has follow me mode. Everyone has waypoint mode. What really we are trying to do is we have a lot of time allocated towards reading feedback, not only from reviews, but we spend a lot of time on Reddit, surprisingly. We look
That's
through...
what Todd was saying. He was sorry to interrupt, but he was saying that you guys really have the boots on the ground and you listen to your clientele and the reviews that come in order to make sure that your products are getting the good feedback that you expect that they do.
Yeah, so definitely. I mean, I probably spend at least 5 hours of my 60-hour week doing consumer feedback reviews and all that stuff. So while it seems online that we don't have a very strong presence in engagement, we really just are lacking in social media. We're very present in reading, we're not present in engaging, which is somewhere we're working on.
Sounds like there's an open position there for someone.
We're always growing.
Okay,
We're always growing.
I love that. Fantastic. Well, listen, we are ready to get our hands on some of your product and give you some of those real-time feedback things. We are very excited to be testing out some of what they're going to be doing here. And stay tuned for way more. Obviously, this is just the tip of the iceberg of what this industry has to offer. Thanks, Frank, for chatting with us.
Of course. It's a pleasure.
Yeah, 2026, y'all.
Contixodrones.com.
Yes, Contixodrones.com.